Hey there, Honors World History! Today we are looking at complex elements and stars. I know. So this unit is going to cover really when those stars bring that new complex complexity to big history, kind of that adding complexity that we talk about all the time with the Big History Project. And it adds light and new energy sources, and in their death, many of the chemical elements that surround us. And in this unit, you're going to learn how stars were created, how they've changed the universe, and why they play such an important role in big history. You also learn how aging and dying stars created new elements, including, the coolest part ever, the elements that made us human beings, right? So finally, you learn how the universe became more chemically complex as entirely new forms of matter, each with distinctive properties, begin to appear in the space between stars. So I hope you enjoy it. It's a little bit shorter of a unit because we go through it pretty quickly, but it's going to add in that piece of increasing complexity as we always do with our Big History Project. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, guys, and I'm looking forward to this unit with you.